Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, Sahil Mahajan, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look into AWS Entity Resolution. So let's dive right into today's video. So firstly, let's talk about what is AWS Entity Resolution. It is a fully managed service that helps match and link related records across multiple applications, channels, and data sources. So in simpler terms, AWS Entity Resolution helps you to link data across various different data sets or various different applications. Why is data entity resolution important? It ensures that you have data consistency and accuracy. It enables a unified view of all entities like customers, products, and patients. Maybe you have an application and you have customers in that application, and there are many different workflows or pipelines. So entity resolution helps you to provide that one unified view for your entities. And finally, it facilitates better decision making and personalized experiences. That's where personalized experiments come related to Amazon Personalize. Moving forward, let's talk about a few key features of entity resolution. First being flexible data preparation. So wherein the data preparation is pretty flexible. It reads your data in S3. So if any data that you have stored in S3, it'll read data from there. It processes each row as a record with a unique identifier. So each row is processed as its own record and has a unique identifier or a unique ID. And then we have it also operates on encrypted data sets. So for example, if you have an encrypted data set, it will also be able to perform its operations on that. Coming on to, it has configurable matching workloads, wherein it supports both rule-based and machine learning-based matching techniques. Now, of course, you have your data and your data is ready, but you need to have some rules that help you to match those entities together. So either you can have it to be a rule-based matching, or it can be a machine learning-based matching. It all depends on to you. And finally, the rules are customizable. This helps you to optimize your match rates. So let's quickly take a look into how does AWS Entity Resolution work. The first step being you have your data ingestion, wherein you store all of your structured data in S3 and you ingest that data from S3 to AWS Entity Resolution. Coming to step number 2, you have your schema mapping. Here's where you're going to define your input fields for matching. So what fields are going to be used for matching will be defined over here. And then you have your data normalization. This step is where you're going to standardize your data. For example, if you have any special characters, you want to remove those special characters, you would do that. But any data standardization or normalization techniques that you have will take place over here on the third step. Coming to the fourth step we have is matching workflow execution. This is where the brainchild sits. That is wherein if you have written any rules, your rules will be applied, or if you are going with a machine learning based matching, or machine learning based matching will take place. So this is the place where the matching takes place. And then finally, your fifth step is your output generation, wherein all of your matched records will be assigned a unique match ID, and you will be able to see all of that. So this was a quick overview related to AWS Entity Resolution. So I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please make sure to leave a like, do subscribe, do comment if there are any other topics out there that you guys would like me to cover. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. See ya. Take care. Bye-bye.